Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned. Features also include technology package, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. Come test drive the 2020 Rio 5-Door. The Kia Rio 5-door vehicle is a compact hatchback with a newly designed and improved interior. The Rio 5-door also comes with an improved technology package that features its tablet-like touchscreen and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, steel wheels. Come take a test drive today.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.